Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the range of KPS mini clamp meters, the DCM300Mini, the DCM350Mini and the DCM450Mini. Let's take a look at their features and differences. First, let's start with the DCM300Mini. Equipped with True RMS technology, it provides accurate readings of AC current up to 600 amps. Its 4000 count LCD screen provides clear and sharp results. In addition, it measures both AC and DC voltage, as well as resistance. It includes features such as non-contact voltage detection, auto ranging, and auto off. All of this comes with a Cat3 600-volt safety rating. Let's move on to the DCM350Mini. Just like the 300Mini, it features True RMS technology and measures AC current up to 600 amps. The notable improvement is in its screen, a 6000 count LCD, which offers greater detail in the readings. In addition to measuring AC and DC voltage and resistance, it adds functions such as frequency, capacitance, and temperature measurement, expanding its versatility. And finally, the 450Mini. This clamp meter not only measures AC current, but also DC up to 600 amps thanks to its True RMS technology. It retains the 6000 count display and the measurement functions for AC and DC voltage, resistance, frequency, capacitance, and temperature. It is ideal for applications that require measurements in both AC and DC current. In summary, all three clamp meters offer True RMS for accurate readings, clear LCD displays with 4000 counts on the 300Mini and 6000 counts on the 350 and 450Mini. They feature current, voltage, and resistance measurement functions. On the other hand, the differences are the 350Mini adds frequency, capacitance, and temperature measurement, and the 450Mini extends the measurement capability to DC current, in addition to the extra functions mentioned. For more details, visit our website. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.